Hello everyone. Today we will learn Standard 8 subject Art and Craft. Let's start first drawing object drawing, and this is of shapes and forms. So here giving that two pots, okay, and different shapes is there. So first is the basic shapes are the two-dimensional shapes. These are the circle, triangle and square. All other shapes can be used or variations and the combinations of these shapes. Okay, so here also giving that combinations, different types of. Okay, so first it is the most important part of colors, right? So first if you draw the any one shapes, then after what will do, you can do of colors, right? So here also giving that different types of shapes, means here giving that shape matlab square shapes, and this oval, okay, circle, oval, okay, so different type shapes giving, and then after you draw the shapes, then after you can easily to draw this type pot. Okay, so here giving that looking for the flat shapes, means this is of flat shapes, is a great way to simplify the structure. This is of simplified structure, right, of the subject into the most basic elements. This way you can capture overall sense object you are the drawing without worrying about volume. So first you can draw the structure. It is of basic elements, right? So first you can draw the basic simply shapes. Okay, circle is giving that all shapes and square like this type, and then after you properly draw this figure matlab structure also. So draw a few objects of your choice with a help of the shapes, means this objects giving, two objects is giving, and you can your choice of that you using of this type simple shapes, and easily you can draw. So then giving to three-dimensional effect with the color after drawing proper outline of your subject. Okay, so here give a 3-dimension, here giving that 3-dimension, but we are draw as it is drawing from here. Okay, so first is the circle is giving that, so I can draw this type. Okay, then after giving square, right, I can draw a square. If you using scale, then also okay. Okay, and then this type, this pot means oval circle is there, and then this type shapes given, right? So first you can draw like this type. Okay, afterwards giving properly shapes, so I can give two properly shapes, then after you can using of scale also, scale and eraser also. Okay, and do properly drawing. Okay, now see, then after rub this line, okay, and draw properly. Okay, so like this type you draw first, then after it is shapes over Then second part, most important part is the drawing. Okay, and then after drawing over, then what we'll do, you can do colors. So color also important part in our drawing. Okay, so first I will teach the different types of color, primary colors, secondary colors, etc. Okay, so first let's see the different types of colors, okay, and how to mix up and making of new color. So let's start. Second, color wheel. So most important parts is color also. So here giving that artists use color theory in developing their artwork. The color wheel is used to color theory as the way of arranging colors so that artists can use to informations in the systematic. So it is most important part of shapes. Then after colors. So colors also we are using of systematical. Okay, so you can draw and you can do color also. Okay, so here way to get consistent result. This is the basic introductions, the color theory. This is a basic introductions, because you knowing that which color is primary, secondary. Okay, now before you can learn also this colors, right? So there are many types of colors theories out there. Each serves a different purpose and the medium. The color wheel is arranged in a way where colors similarly to each other side next to each other on the wheel. Okay, then this will provide to valuable informations later on. So first is the, see, this is of color wheel, right? And here giving that first primary colors. So primary colors, the colors wheel is built from the foundations of three colors. Which color? Red, yellow and blue. Red, yellow and blue. So there are called the primary colors. It is these three colors that will create the rest of the colors on the wheel. When mixed together, means this color you have to mix together, then it is make of the new color. Means if you were to mix all the primary colors together, you would get a black, means both. But below is example from the simplest color wheels using just primary colors. So which type, means two colors you can use and mix up, then making of different colors. Okay, so next time I will see. Now third number, secondary colors. So secondary colors, which now the secondary colors are the first colors to be created when mixed to primary. Means primary colors to mix color, and mix yellow plus blue create to green. Means one drop yellow color and one drop taking blue color, and both are mixed. So which color make of green color? Okay, now next is the yellow and red creates orange. So one drop taking yellow color and one drop taking red color. So which create new? So orange color making of new color. Now blue and red color create purple color. So blue color and red color, one drop blue color and one drop red color create the mixed color and create the new color is which one? Purple. So this class is of colors will be important later on because each one is the complementary colors to the primary colors. So below is example from the color wheel using just the secondary colors. The outside means this type. So red plus yellow is equal to orange color. Okay, same way yellow plus blue is equal to green color, and last one blue color and red color means blue plus red is equal to purple color. Okay, so this is our primary color and this secondary color. Okay, now next tertiary colors. In the simplest terms, tertiary colors are all the rest of the colors that can be created to define or describe tertiary colors. These are the colors created when mixed a primary and secondary color. Primary and secondary color both are mixed, then make of new colors. Okay, and together two secondary colors together. Below is an example of color wheel with one tertiary colors of outside ring. So this is the first primary colors, this is of secondary color, and this of tertiary colors. Okay, so now understand this is of color wheel. Now next what we'll do? Now next we'll see how to do colors. Okay, so easily you know that color how to use. So first here use of crayon colors. I can use of crayon colors if you using crayon color and oil pastel, so it's okay. Okay, now let's start blue color. So I can use a blue color. Here dark blue is there. Okay, so little bit I can using of dark blue. So first here I can use of dark blue. Okay, like this type, because this part is the dark color. Okay, this part. So here I can use of dark blue. Okay, little bit you take a white space because that light color also you can use it. So here slowly I can use of light blue also. Okay, so light blue I can use of from here. Okay, okay, and then outside dark blue color take and do properly shape. Okay, like this type. See, then after pink color is there, right? So here pink color is there, so I can using of pink color, dark pink, but little bit of light doing. Okay, so little bit I can using of red color. Okay, if you using pink, dark pink also, then also okay. Okay, so this part also you can use of dark pink. Okay, here also. Okay, then after this space it is of little bit use of white color. First use of white color. Okay, like this type. And then after little sky blue is there. So here slowly do sky blue. Like this type. Okay, then after this part, so this part is the brown color. Okay, so first I can using of brown color, in between brown color. Here I can also using a brown color, but first here. Okay, so dark brown, and then after is yellow color also there. So here also using of dark brown. Okay, so first finish this dark brown, then after upper side little bit green parrot is there, and yellow also. So here I can using of yellow also. Okay, so here yellow color. Okay, see here also yellow, and here also yellow. And then inside red color is there. So border I can use of red color. Okay, this border. Okay, and this much. Okay, and green color is there. So here slowly can using of green color. Okay, like this type. See, now afterwards this part, so this part is the dark green. So first I can using of dark green from corner only, here also. Okay, and then after last one, here parrot green use. Do mix up. Okay, okay, then after last one, here this part, it is of gray color. But if you not having gray color, so what can do? So here using of first little bit using of black color, and then upper side do white color. Okay, see, like this type lightly do. Okay, and then upper side okay, like this type. See, so this type blue. Now this part, it is little bit dark is there, so here take black color and do black. Okay, like this type. So dear students, now your first drawing objective. Okay, so see, like this type you can use color. Okay, and then after your color is over, then after take pic and send this picture in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.